Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy juice that will help to keep you hydrated, lower blood sugar, aid digestion, and also to maintain healthy weight. So stay tuned. To make this juice, I'll be making use of 2 cucumber. You can decide to peel it, but I'm going to cut it for easy juicing. Cucumber will help to keep you hydrated. It will help in weight loss. It also helps to lower your blood pressure and also support healthy skin. For this drink, I'll be making use of oranges. I've already peeled the orange. I'm using about 5 oranges. Orange will make it easier for our body to absorb iron. It also helps to boost your immune system and also contain vitamin C. Also make use of carrots. Carrots contain beta carotene. It will help to improve eye health, boost our immunity. It can help to regulate blood sugar. So I'm going to use a juicer to extract all the fruits and vegetables. You can also use blender, add water, blend until smooth, then you can drink or sieve it. So I'll be adding all the fruits and vegetables into the juicer and allow to extract. Finally, I hope you can see how easy it is to make this drink. This drink is a great drink that will help to keep you hydrated, nourish your skin because it is rich in beta carotene, vitamin A, C, and K, and other minerals. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.